It's a matter of great pleasure for us that the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda is completing its 71 years on 30th of April 2020. And as you know, our university has achieved big milestones. It has its own legacy, it has its own heritage, and we are all aware of illustrious alumni of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda like Sri Aurobindo, Acharya Vinoba Bhave, Bharat Ratna, and we have been able to produce many Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Kaka Saheb Kalelkar, K.G. Subramaniam ji, and as you all know that for the first time in the history of the university, we are celebrating this establishment day, the Sthapna Divas of the university individually at the faculty level because of the COVID-19. It makes me to remind that the Nobel laureate Venki Ramakrishnan, who is leading the team of researcher and guidance in the United Kingdom, is also a part of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. During last couple of months, as you know, from 15th March onwards, when we started feeling the heat of COVID-19 in Vadodara and in Gujarat especially, like other universities, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda has taken a number of initiatives, and in brief, I would be able to say that all the academic and administrative activities of the university is being managed virtually, it's being managed online. Just to give you a brief, review, our faculties, for the benefit of students, we are in constant touch with them. More than 1,000 online classes have been conducted, be it PhD Viva, be it Project Viva, guiding and counseling to the students, meeting of Board of Studies, meeting of the deans, meeting of the department, meeting of the heads of the department, organizing of webinars, conducting various kinds of training programs. All this is happening at a speed which we never thought of. And I must congratulate and compliment all my deans, all my senate members and syndicate members, and above all my students, where they have supported all academic initiatives undertaken by the university. Even I would like to share with you that even all the members of the syndicate, they are in constant touch, and we had an informal interaction online, and university is fully geared up and prepared to face any eventuality and to plan the next academic session. The discussion on how to hold semester and examinations, they are continuously happening, and we are in constant touch with all the deans and principals and the heads of the department. We are all facing COVID-19. We are taking utmost care of 400 plus students who are staying in hostels where they have not been able to reach at their home. We are taking care of them. The university MSU team is distributing food packets. Our NSS volunteers, they are doing all the possible social activities, be it blood donation, be it distribution of medicines, be it assisting the collector of Vadodara, be it helping the police people in maintaining the lockdown conditions. Our students are very, very agile, and we are very much there. I would like to make a special mention of our students to sustain the enthusiasm, motivation of all the Barodians, students of Faculty of Commerce, BBA students, Faculty of Management students, to name the few groups of the students, students of the Garment Technology, the students of Faculty of Performing Arts. They all have put in their efforts to show their creativity to their best. Social support, be it financial support, I would say that the university has shown its vibrancy, and the motto of Satyam Shivam Sundaram, which is I think is the driving force of Sir Sayajirao Gaikwad III, who said, if you all know, as you all know, that it is not education. I think it is the literacy, it is the sensibility, the support to the needy people, and kindness, and helpfulness to all those people, which is very much required. I am very happy. I'm glad that though we are celebrating our Sthapna Divas virtually, but virtually, emotionally, psychologically, we all are connected, as we are connected 24/7. Our morale is very, very high. Our enthusiasm is very, very high. We are all very positive, and if at all there are instances that some of us may have to face some eventualities, I think we would be able to face all kind of abnormalities, all kind of eventualities, all kind of crises. We would come through, and we would keep the flag of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda flying high and high in time to come. I convey my best wishes, and at the end I would say, I would request, I would appeal to all of you to please maintain and observe the norms of social distancing, stay home and stay safe, and also say that stay connected, stay happy, stay cool, and I would say that whatever best that you can contribute, the way you can contribute, in our MSU Parivar and in our Vadodara city, let's keep on doing it. May God bless all of us. Thank you one and all, and best of luck to each one of you. Please stay safe and stay home. Thank you.